Hey, if you try to install Snapchat on your Android device and for some reason you cannot find it on the Play Store, like in my case, take a look, this application it's not visible anywhere. But if I change my account to, for example, this one, I can find it. It appears right here. So if you try almost everything, for example, you reset your phone, you restart your Wi-Fi and it still doesn't work, I can recommend you to get this application from external source. So what I mean, you will have to open your browser and from here type Snapchat APK file download. So you have to input this phrase into the search, and I can recommend you to use, for example, the APK Pure website. So open this website on your Android device, and from here we will have to scroll down and we will have to get the old version of the Snapchat. So from here we've got the version of 2024, but for some reason it's in the XAPK. So we have to get the normal APK file. So I will recommend you to get this one from 2023, from the last week of the December. So click to download. And as you can see right here, we can find information that it is APK file. And now from here, just scroll down and go into the download APK file. This weird ad pops on the screen. So if you cannot get rid of it, I can recommend you to just slide like this. And we've got information that download is in the progress. So if you are using also the Google Chrome, you can go into downloads and take a look if it really works. As you can see, for some reason we've got some kind of debug right here. So if the download doesn't start, we have to click right here, and now as you can see, we've got this manual download. So now I'm gonna get rid of this previous files, and now after a few seconds we will get this application on our phone. So just wait for it. And when the download is finished, you will have to click on it and now tap on install. Just wait for a few moments. After this installing process, we will be able to click on open and we will be able to use Snapchat on our Android device. So as you can see, that's an easy way how we can fix this issue when the Snapchat is not visible on your Google Play Store. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.